Good day to all. Many might have this perception that instant noodles are laden with chemicals and MSG to the extent that it can be cancerous or harmful if consumed too frequently. I will take this episode to explain and debunk this myth and also offer some methods to help make your next instant noodle meal more nutritious and beneficial for your health. If you have not yet subscribed to us, click on the subscribe and notification button now. So how are instant noodles exactly made? The noodles are a combination of wheat flour, palm oil, and salt, after which they are cut into thin noodle strips. They are then steamed and deep fried to become dehydrated so as to increase shelf life. The seasoning pack typically consists of salt, seasoning, spices, additives, artificial flavoring, and monosodium glutamate or MSG. Yes, instant noodles are not beneficial on its own because, firstly, it lacks nutrition. Even though it is low in calories, about 300 kilocalories per packet, it greatly lacks the essential nutritional elements such as protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Secondly, it is mainly carbohydrates, meaning it is easily digested and can make you feel hungry even faster. Third, high sodium content. One packet of instant noodles can contain about 1,900 milligrams of sodium. That is almost the entire day's recommended sodium intake. High sodium intake is the leading cause of high blood pressure and cardiovascular diseases. Lastly, it is high in MSG. High monosodium glutamate consumption can lead to weight gain, elevated blood pressure, headaches, and nausea. So let me take the opportunity to offer some tips to make your instant noodles healthier. Number 1, choosing healthier instant noodles. Consider opting for those noodles that are made of whole grains. Look at the labels and choose those that are lower in fat, sodium, and calories. Look at the ingredient list and opt for those that are also lesser in artificial additives and colorings. Number 2, go easy on the seasoning. Use half or less of a packet of seasoning when preparing the soup base and avoid drinking the soup so as to reduce overall sodium consumption. Number 3, add healthier sides to your noodles. Consider adding vegetables, lean meat, eggs to boost the overall nutrition profile of the dish. After meal snacks such as fruits will be beneficial as well. Number 4, limit your instant noodle intake to 2 to 3 times a week. As they say, consume all foods in moderation. Alright, we have come to the end of the episode and hope you have gained more insight into those convenient packets of savory delight. Till the next time, stay safe and stay healthy.